To use Skrill in Jamaica, start by creating an account on the Skrill website. Click on the Sign Up button and fill out the registration form with your personal details, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to use a strong and unique password to secure your account. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Skrill and click on the link provided to activate your account. The next step is to fund your Skrill account. You can do this by using a credit or debit card, or by transferring funds from your bank account. To add a card, go to the Payment Methods section of your account and click on Add a Card. Enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. After funding your account, you can start using Skrill to send and receive money. To send money, click on the Send Money tab and enter the recipient's email address or Skrill account details. Enter the amount you want to send and select your funding source. To receive money, provide the sender with your Skrill account details, including your email address or Skrill ID. You can also use Skrill to make online payments, such as paying for goods and services from online merchants. It is essential to keep your Skrill account secure by using strong passwords, monitoring your account activity, and reporting any suspicious transactions to Skrill's customer support. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with using Skrill, including deposit and withdrawal fees, as well as transfer fees. In Jamaica, you can use Skrill to send and receive money in Jamaican dollars, as well as other currencies. Skrill also offers a mobile app, which allows you to access your account and make transactions on the go. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use Skrill in Jamaica to send and receive money, make online payments, and manage your finances. Remember to always keep your account information and transactions private and secure, and to report any issues to Skrill's customer support.